Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to connect WooCommerce to Omnisend. All right. We are not going to do it via the Omnisend website or app market. We'll have to do it via WordPress. Okay. And here under your WordPress account, just go ahead over to plugins, click on it and wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, just go ahead and look for Omnisend. Hit on enter. And in here, just go ahead and find Email Marketing for WooCommerce by Omnisend. Click on it. Wait for it to load, and once it loads, just click on Install right here. And then once done, you'll be able to find Omnisend right here at the bottom left of your WordPress dashboard. Okay, you basically need to click on it, and then it will ask you to activate Omnisend. Right? Just click on it, hit on Activate, and the plugin will guide you through the connection process. Choose to connect your account if you have an existing Omnisend account, or click on the option to create a new account. All right, and after that, just follow the simple prompts, and once done, you're good to go. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.